everyone, here is another videos of Fresh Talk. I'm your host Mr. Jilang, and here you're watching Fresh Talk. And right now we are moving Fancy Bazaar, so we will enjoy watching this video. We have planned many things to purchase, so I will show you what we are going to purchase in the market. See. That's it, she's coming. See. She still don't see me. She don't know where I am. When she saw me, she will... Oh, she already saw me. Tip arrivé. Give smile for the people who laugh at us. What? She feels shy to face the camera. Sarap mat karo bhai.
Guwahati taking.
Kok lu otar ya?
Becoy, pas Christmas sange.
Christmas. Ingam dah.
Becoy.
So right now we have reached Silpukuri, Guwahati, Assam. We have reached MC Bazaar. La 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 la. अंधेरा हो गया है. हम वहाँ सामने मिलेंगे इसके आगे रुके रहेंगे. वीडियो के लिए अंधेरा हो चुका है, क्या करूँ? अरे यार लड़की लोग के साथ बाजार करना है तो सुबह 5 बजे को निकलना है. देखो से ढूंढे अभी तक मिलता नहीं है. Ngồi lên mà.
Thì ghé ngoài con. जो सामान खरीदना है उसका दुकान नहीं है ना.
5 बजे पहुंच गया. देखते देखते वो आदमी है रे. कितने हो? Đâu cái đang ngồi video đây, có sợ bao cái Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share with your friend. And I request all the boys not to go with girls. They have taken a lot of time. I have decided that I will never and ever go with girls if I have a busy schedule. If I have many plans to do. Never mind all the girls. I won't go.